Hey people, how you doing? This is Anwar from Abstract Enterprises Security Systems, showing you a clean security installation job done in Far Rockaway, Brooklyn, New York. As you can see the cameras. It's nighttime. You don't see no wires. Everything is hidden. Let's walk through. It's kind of late. Job finished late. See the cable man, how he ran all these nasty wires and left them hanging? This house is a siding house. All our wires is hidden inside the siding. Let me show you. Let's walk through. There go another one of the cameras up there. Where you see the red light at? This is the cable man wires with his garbage work. You see it? Let me see if I can show you. Oh yeah, that's the camera up there. Wires is hitting in the siding. Another one right here, you see? Wires, you don't see no cables, clean work, wires hitting in the siding. Again, this is a security camera installation job in Far Rockaway, Queens, New York. Let's walk on the last camera, just walk with me. Here's the last camera at the top. See? Clean, you notice you see no wires. Wires is inside the siding. The previous installation guy put all these pipes on the house, so the customer paid us to take these out because it was looking ugly on her house. I told her that we can install the cables inside the wall where she won't be able to see it, instead of having all these ugly pipes running outside the house. These aren't even the proper pipes, these are indoor pipes. Dude was a rookie who put this job together. This is the first of a couple of videos I'm gonna start shooting. Majority of them gonna start to be in the daytime. I just happen to finish this job late at night. But just to show you, look, clean installation. Wires is ran all the way across, even from here to here. You don't see no cables hidden inside the siding. So listen, if you guys thinking about getting a professional security camera installation job done, look no further than to give us a call over here at Abstract Enterprises Security Systems. All right, serving the New York tri-state area, Westchester, some parts of upstate New York, and we also service Nassau and Suffolk County and Richmond County and Staten Island. No wires, clean work, clean installation. Give us a call. This is the first of numerous videos I'm going to start uploading. Enjoy your day.